The global custom t-shirt market is booming, projected to reach over $3.1 billion by 2025. If you're selling merchandise, running events, or starting a clothing brand, you need an order form that converts fast. So, in this video, I'll show you how to create a fully functional branded t-shirt order form in WordPress using FormGent no coding, no hassle. To begin, head over to your WordPress dashboard. Go to Plugins, then click Add New. Search for FormGent, install it, and activate the plugin. You'll now see FormGent in your dashboard menu, ready to go. Now go to FormGent All Forms and click Create New. Choose Create with AI to speed up the process. This will provide us with two additional options. Let's choose AI Classic Form based on our form requirements. In the prompt box, describe your form. For example, create a t-shirt order form with fields for name, email, contact number, t-shirt size, color, quantity, shipping address, payment method, and additional instructions. Then click Generate Form. FormGent's AI instantly creates a ready-to-use t-shirt order form based on your input. You can now customize your form. Click any field to edit labels, placeholders, and required settings. Use drop-down menus for t-shirt size and color options. Need something extra? Add a new field like a preferred delivery date and drag it into place. To match your brand, go to the Design and Share section. Add a cover image, upload your logo, and choose a background color or gradient. Change the form title to T-shirt Order Form, then preview how it looks on desktop and mobile. Once you're happy with the design, click Publish. Set the form status to Published. You'll get a direct link to the form and a shortcode to paste into any page or post on your site. As orders roll in, head to the Entries tab. Here, you'll find every order neatly listed with customer details. You can manage, respond to, or export these entries anytime. Here's how you can quickly create a branded, mobile-friendly t-shirt order form using FormGent without any coding required. Whether you're running an online store or gathering orders at an event, FormGent provides a fast and flexible solution. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon to stay updated on our future content and explore more customization tips. Check out the full article for in-depth insights. The link is in the description below.